Hi there! I have a photo gear review for you today. Well, not quite photo gear. You see, I was looking for a key ring or a keychain related to photography, and I found this little cute camera on Amazon. You will have link just below, and I will also put one in the video description. And I thought this little camera is so cool that it's really worth recording a short video about it. It costs about $5 or $6, and it is a keychain or a keyring, and actually it makes little camera noise and also flashes a flash. Like, this is really good. Let me show you to this camera. I think it is a great little gadget for a photographer, for a photo enthusiast, or as a small gift to someone who enjoys taking pictures. It's so much fun. I just can't stop playing with it. So there you go. It will set you back by $5 or $6, and you can get it on Amazon.